Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can animate like Ali Abdaal in a video using CapCut PC. So if you ever watch Ali Abdaal's videos and wondering how he creates those incredibly smooth, engaging, and professional on-screen animations, here I'm going to show you how you can do it using CapCut. So first you can just prepare your videos and then you can duplicate it first. So in PC you can just copy and paste like this, and then you need to add another layer, which is the background. So you can choose any background that you want. So I'm going to use this background right here and put it on top and adjust the length. Also I'm going to rotate it so that it match with the video like this. And then under the base, you can scroll down on the background and change the layer into 1 like this. And then click on the first overlay in here, remove the background. So click on remove background and I'm going to just use the auto removal. So once the background is removed, you can click on the texture background in here, and then you can add a keyframe where you want the animations to start. For example, I'm going to start in here and let's go to basic and add a keyframe like this. And then you can move the background out of the frame. So I'm going to move it all the way up. And then you can click on this too and add the same, add keyframes in the same position like this. And then you can click on the background again and move it a little bit like this, and now you can drag the background to the bottom. Sorry, like this. And you can also do the same with the object. So this is how it will look like currently. Now you can reverse it. You can just move forward again and add another keyframes in here without doing anything. So you can just add keyframe in the same position like this, and then you can move it a little bit again and move all the positions to its original position. Sorry, you can click on the background. Now I'm going to move it all the way up again, and also with the next with all of the objects like this, move it all to the same or the original position. Okay, so it will become like this. And last one, you can just add the text. Here I'm going to go to the text first. I'm going to just add random text using the text templates. Let's say let's try this one in here. Okay, you can add it into the timeline and adjust the position to where the animations start. Okay, I'm going to add it in here. Let's see it first. Now we can adjust the position in here. So just align it to the positions that feels right for you. And after that, you are done. So this will be the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorials. Bye.